Stephanie asked what amount of money has or was received from the province and federal governments in COVID relief for the municipality and how is this applied to the budget. The municipality received $2.1 million in 2020 and $2.6 million in 2021 from the Safe Restart program, which was part of the federal and provincial joint response for municipality funding, as well as the COVID-19 Recovery Fund, which was the province of Ontario's funding for operating expenses and lost revenues that municipalities had to face in 2020 and 2021. These funds can only be used for operating. We can't use them for capital investments. And we've used them for personal protective equipment, adapting the buildings to include public health measures such as the barriers, the plastic barriers and other space areas to improve public health measures. We've also used them to provide over $200,000 worth of tax interest relief last year and approximately $200,000 worth of investment into the community through community groups such as the hall boards and other organizations providing services to stakeholders and residents in the municipality of Clarington. The other thing that we've done with this money is we've invested and created a COVID-19 community improvement plan, which allows small businesses to get a grant that would assist them in reopening safely by installing and making physical changes to their businesses that adapt to the public health measures that are in place due to COVID-19. Any of the funding that's left over or any of the tax funding that was offset by this grant is put into the Tax Rate Stabilization Reserve Fund, which is then available for us in 2022 and going forward, which will assist us as we continue to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic.